Presiden ke VPP uba Ardent mila besayomoin ulat herting EU menteri rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma da ke bakeno abula Sngewthuh Bakla ke jingmut jongkalan amendment bill jong ke GDC kani kawan hadian bu Conrad sangma ulo ong ba ke VPP kadiban penteri kam ya ke kaba ke yalam bat ban burom kiri tidustur haba jubab uba Ardent ulo ong ba ke jingkran jong menteri rangba kalawan kum ke jingkenden bat ula keno ba Shym La Ailad yu ban Pynshai hapo ke yendor bar Ula Pynshai, bakalan amendment bill kam thumu ban shimno ya kabor jong ki kli Nongstoin Hindray bniah ki jaka jong ki paidbah na ki jingde pathar bat ban pinbet ya kerukom thau bat put jong ki jaka. Uba Ardent ula ongru ba ke kendon ka badawa jingmir jingmun bat ki kli tinrai ka penslam ya ke jingpintrai kam ya ka ain namar ki kli Nongstoin kim juan shakmat banyakren. Ula kintai dru ba ke komiti balayalam da ke VPP kala shimno e ka hok jong ki kli Nongstoin da ka baong ba ke jing thmu kalong tang man pinbet yu put kenang man pinlong e ka ain ka bala bentrai kam.
You see, in fact, yesterday I thought I will be given a chance to clarify and get and seek clarification from him, from the Honorable Chief Minister. However, it was sad that I was not given that opportunity. You see, it was a surprise. It came as a surprise for me and to all of us to see that, and we didn't expect that our Chief Minister will be so ill-informed about what is going on in the KHADC. When he's trying to put a blame on us that we never practice what we preach. We take away the power of these traditional bodies. That was not true. You see, this land act of the district council is to manage the land, that belongs to the people, the community. And as we are aware of the fact that there has been, selling in a large tract of these community lands across the district. So the district council wants to, get this land act effective. However, it was prevented to get it effective because there's a clause which says that when the district council wants to fix a limit on land selling, it has to be done, in consultation with these traditional bodies. What happened? These traditional heads of bodies, they never came forward, to discuss with the district council in order to fix the limit of land selling. So the district council cannot wait, cannot wait for them to come to decide. So the district council decide to just delete that provision, remove that provision, so that we can make this land selling act effective. That was all about. It was not that the KHDC, the EC of KHDC, of BPP and KHDC took away the rights or the power of these headmen or himas. I was told that now most of the himas, they have come forward, had a discussion with the district council to implement the limit fixed by the district council. The district council just took upon itself the decision to fix the limit without consulting the traditional heads. That was all about. Not we took away, or we took away the right of the traditional heads or traditional bodies. In fact, we received a lot of support from the public, the subjects of those himas, subjects of those villages after we'd taken this decision.
Ani kun, pi balik nak mentah support cyber. Di submit to scholarship jumpi. Lazit mentah ke Sngi te. Tang sama je kat lakon.
Kum ta Thymmai.
Hoi kin kun.
Kamu nak duduk nang ni ngabis semua jurang.
Tapi lihat menu kan.
Mak. Kong, long lek syang ah. Dia mau apply scholarship em. Dia lazim mentah Sngi sama je kat lakon.
Scholarship? Kata apa? Gini kena aja. Mana ni?
Kalit na balak.
Dia. Tak tahu jenis dah.
Ni loh. Ada tempat nak keluar. ni ko blay. Kaya rabi ko kun bakli.
Yes, sawdong. Yes, dong bak.
Boleh cuba mah. Nakabenta jong kiway. Ke scholarship kede ka paket mani. Baai ke sorkar. Hindi nakabenta jong ke scholarship kede ka lawe jong. Ke boleh shibun Chief Minister Scholarship Scheme. Ke jinggerku. Bat ke jing plelat. Iki beduk. Kom mga.